Good morning, class. Today I'm going to start reader book. This is your reader book class. The English channel. The English channel. This small book is your English reader book, and in this book there are collections of some poems and some interesting stories. Now, the first chapter is a poem, a sad case. A sad case means a sad story or there's a boy who is very sad because he's unable to take healthy food and he like to eat junk food. Now we will read it. I can't understand why we don't like things. It's wholesome and proper to eat. I wish that I just hated candies and cakes and cared for potato and meat. It frightens me sometimes to think what I'd do if only I had my own way in a candy shop or a baker shop, with no one to watch me some day. For if anyone left me alone with a lot of candies and cakes at my side, I firmly believe I should eat and should eat and should eat and should eat till I died. So this is your poem, class. There is a boy who is saying that I can't understand why we don't like to eat. It's wholesome and proper to eat. Means the boy is saying why I cannot understand why we don't like wholesome or healthy or proper diet or proper food. Means full of nutrition. I wish that I just hated candy and cake. वो विश करता है कि वो कैंडी और केक को खाना छोड़ दे. एंड केयर्ड फॉर पोटैटोज एंड मीट, और पोटैटो और मीट के बारे में भी सोचना छोड़ दे. इट फ्राइटेन्स मी समटाइम्स टू थिंक व्हाट आई डू. मीन्स इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम टू स्टॉप थिंकिंग अबाउट all these food or candies or cake. If only I had my own way in a candy shop or a baker shop. Candy shop means जहाँ पे टॉफ़ी मिलती हैं, केक्स मिलते हैं. बेकरी शॉप में जहाँ पे केक्स वगैरह मिलते हैं. With no one to watch me someday. Means the poet is saying that if he is alone in a bakery shop or candy shop and there is no one to disturb him, for if anyone left me alone with a lot of candies and cake at my side, और वहाँ पे क्या हो, ढेर सारी कैंडीज हो और क्या हो, केक्स, और he is alone in the shop. I firmly believe I should eat till I died. मीन्स वो पोएट कहता है कि अगर मुझे कोई अकेला छोड़ दे शॉप पे तो मैं जहाँ पे सिर्फ कैंडीज़ हों और बेकरी, तो हर टाइम क्या करेगा, सिर्फ उनको खाएगा, एंजॉय करेगा जब टिल हिज डेथ. दिस इज़ वेरी स्मॉल पोएम, class. Means there is a boy who want to stop eating junk food, meat and potatoes, candies and cake, but he is unable to do this. He want to take wholesome or proper diet of proper nutrition food, but he liked to eat candies, cake, and bakery product, potatoes and meat also. But this is not good for health all the time to eat candies and cake, class. So if you have such type of bad habit to all the time eating candies and cakes, so try to stop it. Try to control yourself and try to eat healthy food. So I will read the poem again. I can't understand why we don't like things. Don't like things means it's wholesome and proper eat. To eat means the poet don't like to eat proper or healthy or nutritious food. I wish that I just hated candies and cake. He wished to stop or hate candy and cake, but he is unable to do this and care about potatoes and meat. I frighten me sometimes to think what I had to miss. He is very disturbed when he think that he eat too much candies and cakes and junk foods. If only I had my own way मीन्स अगर उसको ऐसा करने के लिए छोड़ दिया जाता तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा इन सारी चीज़ों पे डिपेंड हो जाता. इन अ कैंडी शॉप और अ बेकरी शॉप विद नो वन टू वॉच मी समडे, for if anyone left me alone with a lot of candies and cake at my side. Means if he is allowed to go in the candy shop or bakery alone and no one is there to watch him, so he will enjoy eating candies and cake until his death. So this is enough for today, class. And what you have to write in your copy, first you have to do one thing, class. Suppose this is your literature copy. So first half part is for your literature or course book work, and second half part is for your reader work. So start writing poem. First you have to write chapter number and chapter name with black pen, then write poem and learn it.